Yo, what's up, man? It's King Zeus, man. We back with another video. It's nighttime, as y'all can see. Yeah, man. I wish it was brighter, man. But that daylight savings is killing me, man. By the time I get home, it's basically dark already, man. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. But yeah, give y'all a nice little POV drive, you know what I mean? Y'all can see by the thumbnail, man. We got the hardest reindeer out here, bro. We got the hardest cammed reindeer out here, bro. Loudest reindeer. Nobody out here louder than me. Reindeer wise. But yeah, man. I'm about to just go pick up a few items, really. Decided to pick up the camera and just film, man. Y'all know how that is. But yeah, I said it before. I mentioned it before. Let me know, y'all, if y'all what kind of videos y'all want to see, man. For real. Like I said, it's winter time basically. So a lot of y'all suggestions probably gonna have to wait until springtime, summertime, when there's no snow, when the weather start getting nice out, when people start coming outside. But yeah, y'all gotta let me know, man. Let me know down below what type of videos y'all want to see. But yeah. Let y'all hear the car for a little minute. Imagine this car creeping up on you in the nighttime and it got antlers on it, spitting fire with an angry face, people probably like, oh, what the fuck is that? The hell is that? Okay, bro, I know we in the right lane, but you ain't gotta go this slow. Come on, bro. Some people just be driving Miss Daisy, man. Damn. That's what I be talking about. Get out the way. I done got so used to paddle shifting and driving with one hand with the camera. It's like second nature now, you know what I mean? I just need to learn how to slide now, for real. Be honest, I don't really know how to do that, but I would like to learn. It look easy, but I know it's not as easy. You really gotta have you gotta be gentle, but you also can't be scared, you know what I mean? But yeah. I'm gonna pick y'all back up whenever we get back on the road. I'm not gonna bore y'all with this part. I don't know if I can do this nighttime shit. This shit is fucking dangerous. It's cold, it's dark. I can roll the windows down, but I'll be freezing. But I can't see because it's dark as hell in here. It's I don't know, man. We gotta lock in, man. We gotta really, really lock in, because y'all know people be on the road out here that can't drive for shit already during the day, and then they can't drive at night because they can't see. It's just a recipe for disaster, but I'm not going to jinx that, man. We're going to get home safe. I decided not to even go to the store I was going to go to. I'm going to go to another store because it's just way too much going on over there right now. So I just one thing about me is like, if I can avoid it, I'll avoid people sometimes, because it's like, sometimes you just gotta trust your gut. I feel like it's not that I'm a non-social type of person. It's just sometimes I just don't like being bothered. You know what I mean? So I'll just avoid putting myself in a situation if I'm like on one track mind and just have an intent of just doing things like my way. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, I'm gonna stop by the gas station though first, so I can get a thumbnail. And then yeah, we're gonna continue to drive. I'm gonna show y'all how to merge on the highway, man. This is how you merge on the highway. This part right here, before you get to the main traffic, this is where you speed up. This is a racetrack, man. Y'all gotta stop being scared to merge. Look at this. Boom, easy, done. That car going, boom, get over. Easy, boom, accelerate, maintain speed, you chilling. It's not that fucking hard, man. Y'all can't fucking drive for shit out here, man. It's like y'all be patting the gas and then brake checking ghosts. Like y'all be brake checking yourselves sometimes. It don't be nobody in front of y'all, but y'all be hitting the brakes. That shit pisses me off. Like, who the fuck do you see? Who is ahead of you that is braking? You need to tell me. If it's danger ahead, tell me. But stop fucking braking if it ain't nobody in front of you. Just let off the gas. It's that simple. Like, people just, I don't know. People just weird. I don't know. But then again, I can't complain too much because not everybody got Brimbos like us. So I can't blame them too much. But damn, it's like, people do this shit every fucking day. People will take their same route every fucking day. You would think that they'll get better at this shit, but they just don't. They just, in fact, get worse. It's like, it's the most dumbest shit ever. I swear. It's like, I don't understand how y'all get bad at this shit every fucking day when y'all drive this shit every fucking day. Like, I don't know. You think things get better with time? Newsflash. It don't. Sometimes it don't. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all back up when we get to the gas station. I'm gonna do a walk around in the car so y'all can see the reindeer. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Chrysler right here. But yeah, I as y'all can see, I mean, well, shit, it went off. But I don't need gas. But y'all know gas stations just got the best damn lighting sometimes. You know what I mean? So like I said, this is a second home. But yeah, I'm gonna do a walk around in the car real quick. Yeah, y'all, this is what we rocking with, man. See, you got the little antlers on there. Saying, like I said, man, we got the hardest reindeer out here, man. Stop playing with me. That shit look kind of fire though. I had to remove my rain guard right here because it wouldn't go on otherwise, because it would have got like stuck on there and it would have like probably like flew off or took the rain guard off, so I had to take that off. But everybody looking at me like I'm fucking stupid, so I'm about to fucking move the car since I'm not getting gas. But it's not like it would have took the same amount of time to fucking like pump the goddamn gas anyway. Either way, these motherfuckers is gonna have to wait. So like, stop fucking staring at me. Like, fuck. It's like all of a sudden everybody need gas. Like, get the fuck out of here, bro. Look at this. Geek the fuck out. Look, hold on. He left his whole car door open just to fucking come over here. Look at this dude. He left his whole car door open just to come see, just to come peep the reindeer, bro. I'm weak, bro. Hold on. Anyway, moving on, man. I completely forgot why I came out here in the first place. Like, obviously to record, but I almost went home not realizing I ain't go grab the stuff I came out here in the first place for. But I gotta get my mind together, man. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm out here. I got to lock in, man, like I said earlier. But yeah. Let me put my seatbelt on. I hate hearing that, and I know y'all probably hate hearing that too, so. But yeah. All right, Zeus, stay. All right, good boy. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, we got what we needed, man. Give y'all a little bit of a warm start. Oh my God, bro. Yo, my warm starts are louder than most cold starts, which is crazy. But yeah, man, we got what we needed, man. Wasn't trying to make this video super long. Like I said, it's a nighttime POV. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it, man. Do a little something right here. All right, y'all, man, it's been real. You already know what time it is, man. It's time to say goodbye, man, for now. But, you know, as always, man, we signing out this time. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Love y'all, appreciate y'all, man. Have a safe